What's going on, everybody? Austin here. In today's video, I want to go over a method that you can start today to start earning commissions with affiliate marketing. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, smash that like button for me, and also take a look at the computer screen. For our beginners or people that are new that don't know what affiliate marketing is, I'm just going to go over this real quick. Essentially, you are here, you need to promote an affiliate link. And then when you promote that affiliate link, you receive a commission. What an affiliate link is somebody else's product or program. They give you a unique website link that tracks back to you, and you can receive a commission anytime a sale occurs through that link. I'm going to show you a few methods for you to start getting traffic to your affiliate links today. Real quick, let's take a look at this. This is what an affiliate link would look like. So here is an affiliate program of mine, or one I'm affiliated with. It's one of the ones, it's known as ClickFunnels. This is the One Funnel Away Challenge. When I go into my affiliate dashboard, I get access to your affiliate link. Essentially what I do is I copy this affiliate link and I put it in front of an audience. And that's exactly what we're going to go over today, is how you can get an audience for your affiliate links. And I'll also go over some different ideas for you to promote or become affiliates for and stuff like that. So as you see here, my potential earnings with this one product is $100 cost per acquisition, which is CPA. Every person who enrolls, that is 100% of the revenue, because this product costs $100. So I get 100% of the commission when I promote this product. I'm going to show you how I would go about promoting this. So let's go ahead and minimize this, and let's hop over to a website called Udemy. Udemy is a place for you to list courses and stuff. As you can see here, there's over 130,000 online courses. You could publish a course for free. And I know you're probably thinking that, well, I don't have a course to publish. All you really have to do is pick your niche or category that you want to be an affiliate for. For this video, I'm going to be talking about funnels, because that's what I just showed you, and that's my niche, is the online industry, which has to do with websites, funnels, ads, email marketing, stuff like that. But you could literally do anything. It could be photography if you have skills in photography. Web development, you can see right here, Excel web development. They've got all different kinds of categories, and as you see, there's all kinds of courses that you can just scroll through. I think they even have like photography right here. You would just click and you would list see photography and video courses. You could just list courses, but what you see is these people are charging for the course. I'm gonna type ClickFunnels, because that's what I was referencing. And as you can see, there's 263 results for the word ClickFunnels. And you can see people are either charging for them, or on the left-hand side over here, you could click price and you can filter by the word free. This will give you a way, if you go to the free ones, this is a way for you to go in here and obtain knowledge and skills on certain things like ClickFunnels. I could come do these courses for free, right? So what I would do if I was new with this, or I was wanting to create my own course but I didn't have one, I would come learn as much as I can. I would obtain it, and then I would reformat and design my own version of the knowledge, because knowledge is transferable. So I would put it in my own words. Obviously, I would use my skills, everything's gonna be a little bit different, but I'm gonna get inspiration from these other people, and I'm gonna get knowledge from these other courses. And as you can see here, this person, and you're probably wondering, well, like, how do they make money if their course is free? Well, inside of their course, they promote their affiliate link. So when you look down here, if you scroll down, you can see course content. This course right here is literally only 41 minutes in total length. You could record this course in an hour. 1 hour of recording. And in here, he's going to be talking about create your free account. And then this lecture is about creating a free account with MailerLite. So inside of the course, he's going to have his affiliate links for people to click on and set up. Landing page, create your landing page. So he's talking about ClickFunnels. And let's take a look real quick. If I was to jump over to ClickFunnels, and what he's doing is essentially promoting probably a 14-day free trial. Get your free funnel. And to become an affiliate, you just scroll down to the bottom and you'll see somewhere around here. Affiliates right here. Click affiliates. And then you'll see it'll bring you over to the affiliate website dashboard right here, the sign up sheet, is you sign up and you earn up to 40% monthly recurring commission. With this specific software, everybody's partnership is different, but there's affiliate programs for almost everything out there in the world. So essentially, is when he drives traffic to his to the 14-day free trial, eventually, if they're getting enough value from him, they're going to stay, and he'll receive 40% monthly recurring commissions from them becoming a member through his free course. So he's not even charging them. All he did was record a 1 hour video, less than 1 hour video. And if you scroll up, he's got 565 reviews, 4.8 rating, and it's completely free. So no harm, no foul, right? He records a video. If he doesn't get traffic, he doesn't get traffic. But the longer it's out there, the more available it is, the more opportunity he has to get traffic. And looking at his stuff, it looked MailChimp versus MailerLite, ClickFunnels versus MailerLite. He's showing you different programs. He's comparing them, ultimately letting you make the decision. Probably, I didn't go through his course, but he may have more than one affiliate link. He may have one affiliate link for ClickFunnels, one for MailerLite, depending which one is better suited for you, is what you would use as the consumer, is the one you would sign up for. But since he's bringing you value for free, then you just sign up. So what you need to do is you need to watch some training, pick your niche, whether it be email marketing, whether it be funnel building, whether it be photography, whatever it is, one skill that you maybe hone or you want to hone, you need to learn it. And then you need to, by coming and watching free videos, learn as much as you can. Go get approved for affiliate links. Let's say we want to be an affiliate for anything. Like literally, if I want to do email marketing, like he said let's go back. I could just show you for an example. If you scroll right here, MailChimp versus MailerLite. So if I was to type MailerLite affiliate program into my search bar, MailerLite affiliate program, I can literally just type it in and put get started as an affiliate, promote MailerLite, and earn 30% of every sale. That is how you become an affiliate for a program. You just search for the program, or you search for anything, like any words, terminology, like photography, affiliate program, camera, affiliate program, electronics, like just, you get what I'm saying. And then you hit get started as an affiliate, and then you will sign up. And once you're approved, you will get access to an affiliate link. And you can see a lot of places conveniently pay out through PayPal. Some even do direct deposit. But that's just one platform for you to do this for free. And like I said, you could do so much email marketing. You could create more than one course. You could have a course on email marketing. You could have a course on ClickFunnels. You could have a course on advertising. There's so many different courses you could build and put out there. And you see, you could even charge for them. But I highly recommend, if you're a complete beginner, just list it for free, put your affiliate links in there, and it will start to add up, especially if you use the ones that are recurring, like the one I just showed you. So this is Udemy.com. It's one of the biggest for online education that people go to, but I want to show you two more real quick that you probably haven't heard of. So let's jump over to one right here. This one is called Skillshare.com. So here you can upload videos as well, or courses on anything you want. Like, as far as you can see, there's photo, film, lifestyle, business, writing copy. And then if I was to click it, it would bring you into the course material. I don't want to play it, but they have different lessons. This one's only 42 minutes, over 29,000 students. And the way they make money is through affiliate links. Another way they make money, though, when they upload the videos for free, is they get paid. Like, you upload for free on Skillshare, you don't charge. And because Skillshare has their own membership, people have to be members of Skillshare to watch the videos. But the way you make money as a creator is from affiliate links. But you also get paid via ads that they put on your channel. So you get paid per view, per 1,000 views per CPM. Just like on YouTube, when people watch your content, ads are placed on Skillshare, from my understanding, and you will get paid per like 1,000 views or something of that nature in correlation to the amount of ads and the cost per ad and CPM on your channel. So you could list your stuff for free there. That's also an option. I'll go ahead and leave a link for Skillshare for you to sign up. You can sign up for free. I'll leave it in the description below just so you can get here and get signed up. But a third one that recently rolled out, and not many people know about it, I believe. It's new. Obviously, it's only been out this year, I want to say. So it's only been out for about 6 months or 7 months at the time of this video. Is going to be learn.fiverr.com. So learn from Fiverr. And it's essentially a course platform. As you can see, these courses only have a few reviews. And the reason they only have a few reviews is they haven't been out that long. It's not a completely overly populated platform yet because it's relatively new. So it's a lot easier for you to get noticed on here. However, there's not as much traffic going here yet. But if you get in at the infancy stage, the beginning of the platform launching, you'll be able to actually have more opportunity to get more views and more reviews and stuff. So over the course of time, that when more people know about this platform and know that Fiverr actually has a course area, that you'll be able to get more traction and you'll be one of the first people there. So that's always a plus, is catching a trend as early as possible. Again, I can't guarantee you'll see results, but it doesn't cost you to put videos out there, and it gives you that opportunity. Just record some training, put it out there. It's free. If people get value from it, they may or they may not click your affiliate links, at which point in time, if they do and they sign up, you can start earning those commissions, and some of them can be reoccurring. And as you saw, ClickFunnels pays 40%, and their base membership's $97 a month. So that's $38.80 per month recurring for every member. Now imagine if you get a member every single month, right? Or every single day, it could add up rather quickly to a few $1,000s per month. So I really hope that helped. If it did, please subscribe to the channel, smash that like button for me to help get this video out and help me rank my YouTube channel. I greatly appreciate that. That's all I ask from you guys. As always, I'll leave links in the description for affiliate training, Skillshare and stuff like that. Be more than welcome to check it out. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.